Hello guys, my name is Anand and today I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu on Windows 10 with the help of VirtualBox. Go to VirtualBox website, download the VirtualBox, then go to Ubuntu's official website and download the Ubuntu for desktop. Both the links are given in description. After downloading VirtualBox, open this setup, click next, click next, then yes, then install, then click on install, wait until it installs. After that, finish. Now open the VirtualBox and go to new. Name your virtual machine. I name Ubuntu 2021. Give the memory size according to your configuration. Then click next. Click create. Then next. Then next. Now give the size. Now your virtual machine with Ubuntu is created. Now go to settings and go to storage, empty, and then optical drive and select chooser disk file and choose your ISO file that you have downloaded earlier of Ubuntu. After opening this, click OK. Then start. Wait for until it starts. Now choose the language. I select English and click on install Ubuntu. Keyboard layout, I use English US. Continue. Check this box and continue. Now install now. Click on continue. Place your location and after that fill your information just like your name, username, password. Don't forget your password because it is user in login of Ubuntu. After that, confirm password. Click continue. Now you can see after completion of this installation, click restart now. Enter your password and log into Ubuntu. Skip all these things. Click next, next, and done. Now you can see the Ubuntu is installed successfully. If you want maximize, then go to devices, then insert guest addition CD image, then click on run. Type your password. Then click on authenticate. Wait until its process done. After that, restart the machine. Then log in again. Type your password again. Now you can see the maximize window is on. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.